We are now, after our breakfast, we have take a tuk-tuk and come here within 5 minutes. And it's just in front of Astoria Hotel. The island hopping is going to begin. It's about 4 to 5 hours, 900 pesos per person. So let's go. Hey, after waiting for about 30 minutes, we are going to board. Cove. So it has a Cove 1 and Cove 2. So we can go snorkeling, fish feeding. It has a breathtaking views and also trekking. So but there's a but. So we have come from just ahead. The 50-minute boat ride, and this is Coral Island. Oh, not island, Coral Reef. So there's a lot of corals below, and there's people who are snorkeling. We didn't choose to snorkel because I'm taking care of Arya, and this scared to snorkel. So now we are standing on this bit.
Okay, from here, Coral Garden going to the private island, we can go in there until 20 minutes. From here to going to private island is 20 minutes. So enjoy guys, enjoy the views, feel the rain. Let's do this, let's go.
Okay, we have reached the Crystal Cove Island. It's just in front over here. Since the waves are very bumpy, they have asked everyone to sit down, and it's going at a slow pace. You can see the water coming in. Aria is slightly scared, but hope we'll make it without her being too much scared. We are much nearer to the island now, trying to dock with a lot of wind and waves.
So this is Crystal Cove Island. We have 1 hour here. There's an entrance fee of 300 peso per person. So we just paid it and come in. It's 11 o'clock now. It's until 12 o'clock. Okay, there's 2 diving spots, Cove 1 and Cove 2. Let's go see this way to Cove 1. Let's go to Cove 1 first. Okay, what view is it?
Majestic view. Majestic view. Okay, ikaw di ay din. Sige.
It's a little bit tiring carrying Aria up the stairs, but I hope it's worth the view. Feels like ancient architecture, or at least that's what they're trying to build and make it feel like. This place looks like there was a hotel or resort earlier. but it has been already not well taken care of, and they've closed down. I think so. There's a lot of wind, and the water is pretty harsh, but it looks fantastic from here. You can see right through the waters to the land inside. It's very clear waters. You can see the corals below, and there's lots of wind. Sorry for the audio.
Actually, we were thinking, where is the cove?
While I was searching for where Cove 1 is, I just realized that it was just right in front of me. So it's indicated here. And I see people going in. Let me try to go in along with Arya.
So this is the cave, and we tried taking photo over there on the top. It didn't turn out right because there wasn't enough lights. But the water is like dustling in, so it's quite nice. And it's a bit rocky. You can see a crack there near the box. So let me just walk my way out. Let's go. So we are going. Ask me, keep your head near me. Finish Cove 1 now. Let's go.
You know who made it.
Yes. Oh, we saw a tree. Actually saw a tree.
Big man.
Looks like there was a hotel before. It's all rooms. But it's a private island now where they're just collecting money to see the cove. People are hanging clothes. Seems like a unbuilt, half-built villa.
You know who made it.
So we have reached Cove 2, and this is the stairs that is leading down to Cove 2. It's a little scary carrying Arya down the stairs. That's why I'm taking it step by step down.
Well, we're trying to go inside the cave now. Not too sure if Arya would like this, but we'll give it a shot. tight crawl space. It's going to be a challenge. And they made it! Hi! It's a squatting height for most of the way, but I think it's opening up. We can standing. Such a relief.
Careful of your face. Careful of your face. Careful of your body.
It's actually pretty dark, so you have to watch your steps quite a bit. One's gonna be another challenge.
Okay, we thought that there was a bullet time. Seems like we have to go back the same way that we came. And I'm right here. It's like the same way. Oh no!
You saw Tani? You see Tani?
You can see all the corals.
Quite sharp. Very sharp. Yes.
It's formed by natural formation, so
Here, do you want to touch the cave?
okay, let's go. So I'll off the camera.
So that's the end of part 1 of this video. Join us in the next video where we'll share more about the other things that we saw in the rest of the island hopping. See you later!